Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you. It's broccoli and cauliflower salad. This is a perfect summer and spring recipe. It's an easy dish. You don't have to heat up the kitchen or do any cooking. It's just chopping up a few vegetables, adding a few side add-ins, and it's a delicious side dish. Let me show you how it's done. This recipe is one that I've been so excited to share with you all. I was given this recipe by a dear friend of mine who's no longer with me. And this is broccoli cauliflower salad. And she shared this recipe with me, and I've not made it in a long time, and I just thought about it and I wanted to make it. What you're going to need, and I will have the ingredients listed on the screen as well as in the description box, is cauliflower, broccoli, onion, bacon, cashews, cranberries, raisins. Now, it calls for craisins or the dried cranberries, but also you could use raisins instead. I'm going to be using a mix of both. I'm using cashews. You can also substitute peanuts or sesame seeds or sunflower seeds, not sesame seeds. You can substitute peanuts or sunflower seeds instead of the cashews if you prefer that. I'm using microwave bacon, but you can use regular cooked bacon if you want. I'm just using what makes it easier for me. I do have these bags of broccoli, which are the perfect amount, but they may need trimmed up some. You want them to be bite-sized. You don't want them to be too large. All right, we've got our broccoli. Pretty good bite-sized pieces, I think. And then we're going to do our cauliflower the same way. Okay, and now we're just going to use about a quarter of this red onion, not even a half. These are very strong. It doesn't take much. Okay, so I got our onion chopped pretty small. So that's what it's looking like. Mix it up a little bit. Okay, there's our salad. I'm going to go ahead. We're going to put in some craisins. And just put in what you like. I'm going to put in about that much. And then I'm going to do some raisins as well. About that much. That is, to taste, whatever you like. And then the next thing I'm going to do is some cashews. I am going to chop these a little bit, give them a rough chop. So, chopped them pretty rough. And those are always also to taste what you like. And if you want to use peanuts or sunflower seeds instead of cashews, you can. Look how good that's looking. I'm going to go ahead and put my bacon in the microwave, and then we'll get started. Now we're going to add our bacon. And I'm just going to cut that up with scissors. And I just used 1 box of the microwave bacon, or you could do probably 5 to 10 slices. It's just really according to what you want. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. Yeah, that's what we're looking like. That's a good size salad. Let me go ahead and shake it up and then we'll make our salad dressing. Don't that look yummy? You want to use full fat mayonnaise or Duke's or real mayonnaise in this. All right, so we're going to use the full fat mayo. And then sour cream. Let's go ahead and whisk it up. Now we're going to add a little bit of sugar to it. Just about a tablespoon. All right. So let's go ahead and put it in our salad. And let's just now I'm going to put the lid on it and mix it up again. And look at that, how delicious. Let's get a bite. Try it. Let me show you. Don't that look good? Don't that look good? Bacon, cauliflower, pecans, cashews. Did my cauliflower fall off? Get a piece of it. Onion. Just take a bite. That's delicious. I've had pink eye. That is a delicious recipe. I can't taste a lot right now. I've been sick, but I'm getting some subtleness, sweetness and things. I've made it so many times, though. It's delicious. I hope you all give this recipe a try. I hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do that as well. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.